Well-known human rights activist and founder of the SaharaReporters news media, Omoyele Sowore has called on the British government that the United Kingdom, UK should immediately place a ban on Nigeria serving senator representing Delta North Senatorial District in the Red Chamber of the National Assembly, Prince Chinedu Nwoko a.k.a. Ned Nwoko, as a registered lawyer in the United Kingdom over allegations of child abuse, raping of minor and molestation allegedly committed against the person of Nigeria popular Nollywood actress, Regina Daniels, after the superstar actress revealed on Sunday that she was forced into early marriage at the age of 17 by the serving Nigeria senator, which, according to Sowore, Regina Daniels at 17 was still a minor under the UK law and therefore called on the Law Society of England and Wales to be alerted, and the Solicitors Regulation Authority, SRA, must begin disciplinary proceedings before the Independent Solicitors Disciplinary Tribunal, SDT, determined Senator Ned Nwoko fitness to still practice law in the UK, while Sowore stated this earlier on Sunday. On Monday evening, Sowore raised alarm of fresh plans by the serving Nigeria Senator, Ned Nwoko, to allegedly block the release of the detained Regina Daniels' brother, Samuel Ojeogwu a.k.a. Sammy West, and arrest his mother-in-law, Regina Daniels' mother, Rita and Regina Daniels' friends. But Sammy West was later seen in a video on Monday night being released from prison. According to Omoyele Sowore, APC Senator Prince Ned Nwoko must be held accountable for crimes against a minor and abuse of power. The case of APC Senator Prince Ned Nwoko has gone far beyond politics. It now points to serious criminal conduct and gross abuse of power, as revealed by his now estranged wife, Regina Daniels. According to Regina Daniels, Senator Prince Ned Nwoko married her when she was only 17 years old, at a time when she was legally a minor under UK law, where Nwoko remains a registered legal practitioner. Any sexual activity following that marriage would, under British law, amount to statutory rape. More disturbing are Regina Daniels' allegations that Senator Nwoko introduced her to hard drugs while she was still underage and repeatedly forced himself upon her. These are not mere moral failings. They're serious criminal offenses that demand investigation and prosecution. It is unacceptable for Ned Nwoko to continue parading himself as a lawyer in the United Kingdom while facing these damning allegations. The Law Society of England and Wales must be alerted, and the Solicitors Regulation Authority, SRA, must begin disciplinary proceedings before the Independent Solicitors Disciplinary Tribunal, SDT, to determine his fitness to practice law in the UK. We will not allow Ned Nwoko to continue using the now disgraced Nigeria police force, his political influence, or illicit wealth to suppress victims, pervert justice, and trample on human rights in Nigeria or anywhere else in the world. Impunity has an expiry date, and that date is now. Stop Senator Prince Ned Nwoko's abuse of power and criminal manipulation of state institutions. While we continue working to secure the freedom of Samuel Ojeogwu, Sammy West, who has been unjustly detained through the influence of crooked All Progressives Congress crooked Senator Prince Ned Nwoko, it is important to alert the public to the senator's ongoing schemes and abuses of power. Reliable information indicates that Senator Nwoko has deployed substantial funds to elements within the Nigeria police force in order to target and intimidate members of his estranged wife Regina Daniels' family and friends. Acting through corrupt police officials and in some instances attempting to draw in the NDLEA, he has sought to expand a web of harassment and unlawful arrests. Senator Prince Ned Nwoko allegedly pressured Nigeria police force officers earlier today to block Sammy West's bail, and even attempted to procure the arrest of Regina Daniels' friends and mother, Rita, under false claims that they were supplying her with drugs. Equally disturbing are credible reports that he illegally intercepted and monitored Regina Daniels' private WhatsApp communications, paying large sums to police operatives to track her calls and messages. Over 250 of such WhatsApp messages were submitted to implicate Regina Daniels' close circle that he alleged was supplying her hard drugs. In addition, Nwoko is said to have sponsored the fabrication of medical reports from Nizamiye Hospital in Abuja and another private facility in Abuja, in a desperate bid to criminalize Regina Daniels and those close to her. These actions amount to a grave abuse of state power and violation of fundamental rights. The public must understand that the true criminal here is Ned Nwoko himself, a man who married a minor, exposed her to drugs through manipulation, and repeatedly violated her bodily autonomy. We call on the Nigerian leadership to immediately call the Nigeria Police Force, the NDLEA, and also urge the Attorney General of the Federation, and relevant international human rights bodies to immediately investigate these allegations and to curtail Senator Nwoko's influence over security agencies in Nigeria. No individual, no matter how wealthy or politically connected, should be allowed to weaponize law enforcement institutions for personal vendettas. Justice must prevail, and Ned Nwoko must be held accountable for his crimes.
Bringing you the news in a more digital way.